The first named storm of the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season lashed eastern North Carolina with rain and gusty winds on Monday, as the tropical storm made a close pass at the state's Outer Banks. The U.S. National Hurricane Center NHC said as of 5 a.m. on Monday that Tropical Storm Arthur is located about 85 miles south of Morehead City, moving north-northeast at 14 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. The full center of the storm is going to remain offshore, but we're still going to get indirect impacts, Fox News senior meteorologist Janice Dean said Monday on Fox Friends First. The rain and the wind, as it continues to move north and eastward. Tropical storm warnings have been posted from Surf City to Duck, NC, including the Pamlico and Albemarle Sounds. On the forecast track, the center of Arthur will approach the coast of North Carolina during the next few hours, and then move near or just east of the coast of North Carolina later today, the NHC said. Eastern North Carolina and the Outer Banks we're seeing increasing wind gusts and rain as of Monday morning as the center of Arthur passed offshore. Arthur remains a minimal tropical storm, with maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. The NHC said tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 90 miles, mainly to the east of the center of Arthur. We could see wind gusts, or feel wind gusts, upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour, and then it's going to start to make its curve, Dean said. Throughout the day on Monday, gusts to 50 miles per hour are possible along the Outer Banks through midday with between 1 to 3 inches of rain. Isolated maximum amounts of up to 5 inches of rain are possible in coastal areas. The National Weather Service (NWS) said eastern North Carolina should prepare for some localized flooding and dangerous marine conditions along the coast. Minor inundation from storm surge is possible for very low-lying areas adjacent to the ocean, sounds, and rivers, with overwash of dunes and flooding of properties and roadways possible for locations where dune structures are weak, mainly north of Cape Lookout, the Weather Service said. Forecasters from the NHC said very slight strengthening is possible over the next 24 hours. Arthur is then forecast to turn away from the east coast of the U.S. from Monday night into Tuesday. We expect it could strengthen a little bit today and Tuesday, and then Bermuda is going to have to watch an extra tropical low, Dean said on Fox Friends First. Rough surf and rip currents will continue along the southeast and mid-Atlantic coasts for the next few days as Arthur moves into the ocean and transitions to a non-tropical low on Tuesday. These swells could cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions, the NHC said. North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper has urged residents along the coast to pay close attention to the storm and don't take chances in dangerous surf. Tropical Storm Arthur formed Saturday night, making it the 6th straight year for a system to develop before the official start of hurricane season on June 1. Even though the Atlantic Basin season officially runs from June 1 to November 30, plenty of May storms have developed in recent years. In fact, the first named storm of the season has been in May every year since 2015. So just a reminder that hurricane season is upon us even though it's early this season, Dean said Monday. Officially, it's June 1. Of course, early named storms, it's happened several years in a row, including last year. While the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Climate Prediction Center will provide its seasonal outlook for the Atlantic Basin on May 21, researchers at Colorado State University are predicting an above-average hurricane season this year, citing the likely absence of El Niño as a primary factor. The 2020 Atlantic hurricane season will include the names Arthur, Bertha, Cristobal, Dolly, Edward, Faye, Gonzalo, Hannah, Isaias, Josephine, Kyle, Laura, Marco, Nana, Omar, Paulette, Renee, Sally, Teddy, Vicky, and Wilfred.